step into the 2012 Ford Super Duty F-250 SRW. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, child safety locks, driver adjustable lumbar, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel drive, pass-through rear seat and power outlet. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.